What's up guys, it's me or Umair. So the question is that, what is your opinion on Codeacademy? Let me read you the question. Is this website enough to learn how to code, or is a must to take some real life paid courses? Yo homie, who's telling you to take some real life courses? Who's telling you? Who is telling you to pay for the courses? Who is telling you? Firstly, Codeacademy. Codeacademy is good just to play around. My advice will be that use Code Combat. Code Combat, Code Combat, Code Combat. My advice will be that I'm in Code Combat. Okay, now jump to the screen and let me show you the Code Combat. Use Code Combat. I'm in Code Combat. Yeah, Code Combat. Okay, when you go to Code Combat, learn how to play a game. You'll be playing games. This is a much better way to learn programming. And other than that, okay, let me play this dungeon. Let me show you the game. Come on. Come on.
For the win.
Okay, Python. Come on. Let me equip it. You see, I'm going to play RPG game. Let's get started. Let's the battle begin. Start a level. Okay. Okay, I know.
Use these methods. Type your code on the right.
Okay. Come on, my keyboard is working. Something is stupid.
Your hero went the wrong way. You better delete your last line of code and try again.
Okay, I just know. Okay, because there's already written my mistake. My mistake. This is the beginning level. Okay. Come on. Yeah, continue. Yeah, other than that, use book. Hero, move. Hero. Come on, hero, move. Left. Yeah. No. Hero, move. Hero, move down. Hero, move down. Hero, move right. Okay, let's see. You see, I teach you some basic programming and I want success. This is how you learn programming. Code Combat, Code Combat, Code Combat. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.